What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to Living Life Fast. This is Josh, the owner of this Nardo Grey RS3. So a 2015 model running a APR stage 1 tune.
Yep.
You say it puts out 440 BHP?
Yeah, about that, yeah.
Guys, I've never actually been in one of these newer generation RS3s. Obviously you see that I did a POV drive in the previous gen, which I will be doing a video on soon. But it's going to be interesting. There's a lot of hype with the RS3. Obviously quattro 4-wheel drive system.
Yep. Good.
I think it's a bit different to the Golf R. So guys, I hope you enjoy the video and I'll see you in a second. So Josh, man, RS3.
Yeah.
Where'd you get this?
I've had about a year, just under a year now. Came from a M135i tune with JB4,
Okay.
decat, and it was basically a straight pipe really.
So you went from M135i to RS3.
Yeah.
What was it like?
Good. And
Did you notice that the
yeah,
sky was better?
it's night and day difference. It's
Night and day, yeah?
Yeah.
Ooh.
It's just this is a better all round car.
Okay, as in
Traction's better.
traction, yeah.
Interior's better. Looks better in my opinion.
Yeah. Premium though? What was the price difference?
A lot. Quite a bit, yeah.
So this is the big argument with the RS3.
Yeah.
Like no one denies that it's not an excellent car, but it's the premium, isn't it?
Yeah.
And I'm not trying to be negative right now. I'm just saying that it's a lot of money, isn't it? But it's a better car, yeah.
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 Everything's better.
Everything.
Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, you know, cabin quality right now. This is something else, isn't it? And you got the upgraded sport seats. So you got the like,
super sport seats. I can't remember what the colour's called, but silvery, grey.
Okay, the seats. Yeah. And you got this nice little like piano sort of.
Yeah, it's not massively well spec'd up. I mean, you've got upgraded MMI, the speakers are all standard, sport seats, sat nav, which is an optional extra.
I mean, I've just come out the M240. I mean, it is definitely a nicer cabin, but it's not night and day, I wouldn't say.
No.
It's definitely not night and day. It's noticeably
10 grand, whatever the price is roughly.
Yeah. I like these events, like, it's definitely more modern looking, isn't it?
Yeah.
Love the Speedo. And then what do they put out from factory? 360? 362 BHP?
I think it's 362.
Yeah.
It does understeer.
Bloody hell. That is wait. So guys, yeah, this has got the 2.5 litre turbo 5-cylinder engine. Resembles like the old school Audi quattros. Beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah,
that's
it does sound good.
That's the main highlight of this car, isn't it?
Yeah,
obviously it's build quality, but over the S3, it's the engine, isn't it?
Yeah. The biggest difference is how linear the power is. Like with the BM, it was just with the BM it was just on, and then you just it proper throws you back and you're just flying.
That's right, yeah.
With this, you lose a bit of sense of speed.
Yeah.
If that makes sense, but I don't know. That's just an Audi thing, I think. But mod-wise, you've got panel filler, secondary decats. The initial decat is still in. That's more just a bit more exhaust noise. It doesn't really add any BHP. It might add a bit, but not really. Spacers all round. 20 at the front, 20 at the rear, and 15 at the front.
Okay. Guys, I've just come out the M240, by the way, and straight away the M240 feels quicker from the cabin, but this still feels like quick. I'm not sitting there like, no, this feels slow. This is quick, like.
Yeah.
But yeah, not like the. It don't give you the same feeling.
No, and the
M240 definitely not.
That's tuned. This is tuned. The 240, and there's not a huge amount in it at all, is there?
No.
That feels a lot quicker.
Wow, listen to that, man. Oh, geez, that's a bit of a funk there. Was that you letting off the throttle? Or?
No, it's gear change.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Shit, it felt well aggressive.
Yeah, it does.
Quattro mode. This has been lowered?
No, standard suspension. It's just.
Sounds like it's scraped a bit then on the rim, isn't it?
Yeah.
Wow, man, it's just
grips and goes, isn't it?
Yeah. I mean, I feel like even from here, it feels so secure. I feel safe. I trust, the car.
Yeah. A bit of space now.
Launch control, yeah. So what does it quote? What does it do with the map? Under 4?
Standard is going to be like 4.2, but it's less than that.
Wow, that is seriously quick, that is. It really hooks up. Wow, man. Oh, Jesus Christ, this is quick. Jeez, you're a bit of a crazy driver, aren't you? Alright, so guys, we've swapped over. First time driving an RS3 and a tuned one at that, 440 BHP. Straight away, super light wheels, super light. What mode have we got it in right now?
You're in dynamic, but if I switch you over into comfort, it all lightens up a bit.
Yeah.
The exhaust shuts off.
It already felt light, didn't it?
Yeah, and then the exhaust shuts off and goes back into dynamic.
You know what, straight away, man, this is just, I would love to be driving this on a daily basis. It's just beautiful, isn't it? What you're seeing with your eyes, like, it's nice, man. Oh, jeez. It's that acceleration out of corners. That's the plus side to the Audis, man. As you exit a corner, you can fully stamp the throttle. Wow, listen to that. That is like traction kicking in then.
Yeah.
It wasn't flashing, was it though? But I could feel it rubbing me, like. Brakes are brilliant as well.
Yeah, the brakes are huge at the front. 6 or 8 pots, I'm not sure. But they are huge calipers.
Baby R8, don't they? Is there a manual mode rather than sport?
Yeah, you can leave when you stop. It puts it into sport game. If you push that all the way over, that will stay in manual now.
Oh wow, man! Jeez. And yeah, man, the safety feeling. What is? Oh bloody hell! Is that since your spacers?
Yeah.
Wow. Wow, the brakes are wicked, aren't they?
Yeah.
Noticeably sharper than the M240.
Yeah.
Guys, I know I already said it, in case I think I said it. I just come out the M240, so I always make the point of, like, the previous car you drove can affect how you feel about a different car you drive. But this feels, wow, that engine is just epic, isn't it? Yeah. Turning circle isn't big, is it?
No.
Really short, isn't it? Wow. Yeah, man, it's completely glued on its line, isn't it?
Yeah.
It doesn't come off it. Doesn't shift or anything. I think it's more the front wheel drive cars. You can be on your line and all of a sudden it will jump off it.
Yeah.
It feels good. This car feels good even now. Like, you know, it hasn't got quite the involvement. Like, you know, you can't feel everything, but I mean, it still feels good, man. Like,
yeah,
it feels really good. I mean, the M240 doesn't have a massive amount of feedback from the wheel. It's definitely a car that, yeah, inspires a ton of confidence.
Yeah, especially.
And I bet as it gets darker, this cabin lights up nicely.
Yeah, it all lights up.
Oh my God! Even now, you can see it starting to glow, isn't it? In here? It's a lot of money, like you say. It's the only problem. Like, this is probably one of the best. I don't know about its capabilities, because I remember researching. This car's biggest problem is the Golf R, I think.
Yeah, around the track, the Golf R's a bit quicker. Better chassis.
It's actually quicker, yeah?
Yeah.
See, that's what it's like. It's a bit of a...
Even though this is up by, what, 60 brake or whatever it is.
Because it's about 20-25 kg heavier. It shouldn't be quicker than the Golf R, like with 25 kg. That's ridiculous.
Really, in a straight line, it just blows away.
Yeah, of course, but round the circuit.
Yeah.
So yeah, but that's why when they did the facelift RS3 with the 395, now it's a different thing now, isn't it?
Yeah.
It needs the it needs that 395 BHP, doesn't it? And on the dyno, I think they're coming up like 410. But apparently, when you do drive these hard, you can really like aim them into the corner, like whereas normally, I mean, I'm sure it will still understeer as well, like you said it does understeer a little bit, didn't you?
Yeah.
But I mean, if you compare it to say the older RS3, I bet it's just night and day. Oh man, I'm feeling this, you know that.
Fell off a brake.
Well, is that quick or what? Bloody hell! That like jolted my brain.
Yeah, it does.
Wow! They got a real launch control in this car, haven't they?
Yeah.
So I can't really take your car too hard because it's going to scrape, isn't it?
Yeah.
What a launch control! That is unreal, man. I haven't felt a launch like that.
Yeah, it's quite aggressive, isn't it?
Well aggressive. It can't be good for the car, surely. Are you sure that that's...
Yeah, I've
that car banged into second gear, that
Yeah,
did?
I know. They do.
Have you been in another RS3 though?
No. But I have heard that they do that.
That like jolted my head, like...
Yeah, it's just that first. I think it grips properly in second, and then it just
Wow, that is
it changes.
Like, that is quick. Most cars I tune, do you know what I mean? But this car, when you stage 2 them, stage 1, stage 2, they're almost unbeatable.
Yeah.
If you get on a throttle before, even a GTR, you're gonna cane it to 100, say. This to 100, there's not anything from the lights. You're traffic light king in this car, without fail. What did you pay for it? Don't mind me asking.
Second hand, or like a year old. It was 37.5 or something like that.
And have you had to spend any money, maintenance, like, you know, servicing, tyres, faults, factory faults?
No faults whatsoever. I've had pads done all round, tyres done all round.
This has had to come out your own pocket, obviously.
Yeah, and an oil service, but that's just stuff that's general maintenance, really. Isn't it?
But there's been no niggly.
Nope.
Nothing.
Nope.
And how long? A year.
Just under a year now. Yeah.
Just under a year. Yeah, gearbox. It's a bit weird, isn't it?
It is. I think it just takes to get used to.
Yeah.
I mean, you can change down with the paddles, and it will still change out by itself.
That's ridiculous, isn't it? It's the tune, isn't it?
Yeah, first gear's fun if you drop it to like 20 mile an hour.
People be cussing me, driving one-handed. You got no respect. Driving Josh's car like that. Yeah, the way you can accelerate out of bends is just ridiculous. You can't do that in anything apart from four-wheel drive.
Yeah, that was the problem really with the M.
Round town, you know, that's the advantage. Like bigger straights, country lanes, A roads, motorways, the advantage is fully gone.
Yeah.
But round town, getaway car, gone. I suppose naturally you want an R8.
Yeah.
Josh, man, I think we'll end the video there. Thanks for coming down and yeah, giving me my first drive ever in the new RS3. Brilliant car, love it to death. Definitely can see what the hype's all about, man. It really puts that power down, doesn't it? With the engine sound, it's just unbelievable. I can see what the gas is about, you know what I mean? Everyone loves this car. And I do as well, even the previous gen, I love the RS3. Lightish on the wheel.
Yeah.
But it just feels good, man. I don't mind it, you know. It's just something different, like, you know. I'm used to driving a lot of BMWs and you know, rear-wheel drive cars, and it's nice to just to switch it up a bit, you know. So yeah, guys, man, we're gonna end the video there. I hope you did enjoy it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new to the channel, and I will see you soon. Thank you for watching.